Hello. So this is where I'm at so far with my fire pit. Bricks are working out great, and it's reflecting heat into the lean-to very nicely. Here you go. I'm just kind of trying to bake these bricks, make them harder, and yeah, it works great. I haven't quite figured out if I want to dome over the top, maybe take some green boughs and create a dome and then put bricks over that, and then create a little smokestack going out the hole up here. We'll see if I want to do that or not. It'd make it more difficult to cook on, but it would definitely make it so it saves a lot more heat. But yeah, right now it's working great. I'm pretty happy with it. Bye bye.